You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name, this word. Well, this number in French, and it's famous for being the name of a beer, and I'm not sure it's a date. Obviously, there are two ways of pronouncing it, but there's one way we use in France, 1664. You could say it 1664 or 1664. 1600 meaning 1600, 64 meaning 64. So 1664, 1664, beer. 1664. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.